Excellence. It's a word we use often, but rarely define. In 1982, In Search of Excellence studied the world's highest performing companies and asked a simple question. What separates the best from the rest? But what does excellence look like here? In the islands, in our communities, in our businesses, in our homes. Welcome to In Search of Excellence Island Style, powered by the Broker Mortgage Experts. This is a podcast where we sit down with leaders, entrepreneurs, coaches, creators, and difference makers who are raising the standard not just in what they achieve, but in how they lead. Here, excellence isn't loud, it's consistent, it's relational, it's built on values, it's lived with Aloha. Each episode, we break down the principles behind real performance, decisiveness, discipline, culture, integrity, resilience under pressure. We're not chasing hype, we're studying patterns because excellence isn't found, it's built. If you care about leadership, if you care about family, if you care about building something that lasts, you're in the right place. This is In Search of Excellence Island Style. Let's raise the standard.